Hey guys, so quick video for you if you can skip the Genshin dialogue. Genshin doesn't have a skip button for like three reasons. Dialogue is diegetic, so because it can place in a game world and some dialogues can teleport to different places, spawn enemies and trigger quests, skipping it would be likely also to mean that several of these sorts of triggers could break. So this ties into why Z has won but not Genshin of Star Isle. So that's pretty much it about the Genshin dialogue, that it's not possible to skip it. So thank you very much for watching and have a great day and goodbye.